soft, golden, and rich with olive oil. Today we are making Italian style oil rolls, perfect for sandwiches. Let's get started. To begin, we prepare the Poolish with 100 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, 100 milliliters of water. Mix until smooth. Cover with cling film and let it rest for about 1 hour. Once the Poolish is ready, add 400 grams of flour into a bowl. Add the Poolish in. 100 milliliters of olive oil. 20 grams of brown sugar. 10 grams of salt. 180 milliliters of water. Mix until everything is well combined. Flour your workspace. Knead for about 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a well-oiled bowl. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Now flour your workspace again. Cut the dough into 6 equal pieces, about 150 grams each. Flatten a piece of dough into an oval shape with a rolling pin. Then, beginning at the edge nearest to you, roll it up to form a log. Fold in the edges at both ends and place them seam side down. Cover and let them rise again for about 1 hour. Bake in the preheated oven at 190 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Enjoy!